Alright, today we're going to take off the jets on the pair of Weber 40s that's on the 1776 and clean them out a little bit. We're going on a cruise tomorrow, and I noticed the car's popping a little bit, and there's a little bit of backfire. Dirty jets, we're going to go and get in there and get them cleaned up.
I'm going to try to unscrew the jets while it's on there. A whole lot to get these out or get them unscrewed. We're going to change this up a little bit once I get in there to grind away just a little bit of the velocity stack so that this is easier next time. Alright, there's one of them. So I'm going to do them one at a time, and oh, you can even see gunk on there, right there. Yeah, so as far as cleaning them, this is going to be the same process for each one. You don't really need to take them apart. There's no tight holes on the inside, and this black part on top, that sits up in the air. But what you want to do is go through each of these, just give a quick blast, and you want to wear some protective glasses when you do this, because if you get carb cleaner in your eye, it's not good. Carb cleaner takes away all oils, and you have oils on your eye that make your eyelid close all smooth. So there's four holes going around, a little bit staggered, but I'm going to start at one of them and go all around and clean these little holes. There, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna give one more in case I missed one. All right. And then clean these. That was interesting. That didn't go across very well. That one went across good. So that one, there, now it's going, that could have been my dirty part right there. Okay, and then clean the main. This should come out those 4 ports. This one here seems a little clogged. Okay, and then there's also sizes here. I think that's a 1 or a F11, as you can see right there, and there's some sizes on these guys too. All right, so this one's basically done. I want to clean up this just a little bit. It's it's not getting real clean on the. Okay, you can put that together. All right, so I want to go ahead and get that one kind of in and started. Just good to get these started with fingers so that you don't get them stripped, and get a couple turns on them. Once you get it started, you won't be able to lift it upward. The teeth will have caught. And then I'm just using a couple fingers to get them to turn around a little bit, because you want them, get a couple turns on there so you're not stripping them. A fat screwdriver to get them tight. Once you got them loose, you can use a skinnier screwdriver that'll bypass this lip problem that we're having here with the velocity stacks. I'm going to cut a little divot right here so that I can get the screwdriver in there on each of the velocity stacks. And then looking down the carburetor hole, it looks pretty clean on both of them. You can see the silver color instead of black. Not to lose. So I'm putting my finger on top of the post, and when I lifted it up, I've got the washers in there and my finger with it. Okay, 1 washer, 2 washers. All right, let's there's my mark right there. I'll just go take this to the grinder and grind it up, and I'll do one of these, and then you'll know which how they work.
this grinding wheel does not have an on-off switch. You plug it in and it's ready to go. So here we go. Clean up any sharp edges. All right, go ahead and unplug it. Now so that's what it looks like.
All right, so now we're grinding the second one of the 4.
All right, there it is.
All right, so we clean out the carburetors. Tomorrow we cruise, so we'll see if our cleaning worked. Thanks for watching.